Today we will learn how to switch from one Instagram account to another. First of all, for this we will open our Instagram. Then we will click on our profile. After that our name will be shown at the top. There is an arrow in the front of the name. We will click on it and our second account will be shown. We will click on it and we will switch to this account, as you can see in the video. And there is an other trick by which we can go from one account to another. That thing is our profile. When we double tap on our profile quickly, then go to the other account. As you can see in the video, we will click on our profile twice quickly and we will go in another account. Like that, as you can see in the video. If you have learned something from this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and if you have any question you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching.